Hello everyone. Today we are going to perform experiment on balanced three-phase star connected resistive load. The basic purpose of performing balanced three-phase star connected load experiment is to determine the active, reactive and apparent power, and second most important purpose is to determine the line and phase values of voltage and current in balanced star connected load. In order to perform experiment on balanced three-phase star connected load, we basically require three-phase variac of suitable value in order to set the value of input voltage. Then second one is the resistive load bank. This is the resistive load bank connected in star. Then next one is to measure the value of line voltage. We are going to use 0 to 500 volt AC voltmeter. It is connected across R and Y terminal of the variable three-phase variac. Then next one is to measure the value of line current. We are going to use 0 to 5 ampere AC ammeter. To measure the value of phase current, we are going to use 0 to 5 ampere AC ammeter. Then to measure the value of phase voltage, we are going to use 0 to 250 volt AC voltmeter. Next one is wattmeter W1. Wattmeter W1 of 750 watt 600 volt 5 ampere rating is connected in R phase. The purpose of connecting this wattmeter W1 in R phase of resistive load bank is to measure the power consumed by resistive lamp bank. Then to measure the value of power consumed by resistive load bank in star fashion, we are going to use 750 watt 600 volt 5 ampere wattmeter. It is connected in B phase of resistive load bank. Now I am actually going to perform experiment on balanced three-phase star connected load. For this purpose, I am going to switch on the position of resistive switches in respective R phase, Y phase and B phase. Here I am going to switch on the input supply voltage. With the use of rotary arm of three-phase variac, I am going to vary the input supply voltage, which is also called as line voltage, to 400 volt. Here we all can see the input supply voltage, that is VL is 400 volt. For VL equal to 400 volt, the VPH, that is phase voltage value in star connection, is 228 volt. Now I am going to switch on the resistive load bank. By making the resistive load bank in on position, we all here can see the lamp load in respective phases is in on position. Therefore I am going to take the readings of line current. This is the line current, which is equal to 1.2 ampere. Then the value of phase current is also 1.2 ampere. The wattmeter W1 shows 85 watt and the wattmeter W2 shows 110 watt. Now I am going to take second reading by applying more resistive load in R phase, Y phase and B phase for star connected balance load. For second switching position of resistive load, the line voltage is 400 volt, phase voltage is 228 volt, line current is 1.65 ampere and phase current is also 1.65 ampere. Wattmeter W1 shows 120 watt. Wattmeter W2 shows 145 watt. Now I am going to take the final reading by switching on the resistive load in respective R phase, Y phase and B phase of 3-phase star connected load. Therefore, the line voltage value is 400 volt. Phase voltage is also 228 volt. Then the line current is 2.15 ampere. Phase current is 2.15 ampere. Then the wattmeter W1 shows 170 watt. Wattmeter W2 shows 185 watt. Therefore, with the values of VL, VPH, IL, IPH, W1, W2, it is easy for us to determine the active, reactive and apparent power in balanced 3-phase star connected resistive load by assuming the value of resistive load for power factor is 1, and it is also easy for us to determine the line and phase relationship between voltage and current for star connected balance load.